आप लोग का बिजली का बिल माफ हुआ कि नहीं?
Jharkhand's most high-profile assembly seat stands at the crossroads of tradition and transformation. Chief Minister Hemant Soren, a two-time winner here, faces challenge from the BJP's young candidate Gamaliel Hembram. This contest is more than a political skirmish, it's a reflection of tribal identity, legacy and aspirations. Nestled in the historical Santhal Pargana region, Barhet holds deep cultural and political significance. Known as Damene Koh or Lap of the Mountain, this land has been home to Santhals since 1832 when the British designated it as their settlement area for farming. It was here in 1855 that the Santhal rebellion or Hool erupted against British exploitation led by Sedho Kanhu, Chand and Bhairav. Today, Barhet remains a scheduled tribe reserved seat with Santhals and Pahadias making up 71% of the electorate and Muslim comprising another 10%. The bow and arrow symbol of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha holds a sacred place in the hearts of the tribal population, symbolizing their identity and resistance. However, in this election, the loyalty tied to tradition is being questioned. Hemant Soren, carrying the weight of state leadership, has spent limited time in Barhet during his campaign, yet his confidence remains unshaken.
पता है कि इनके पास लिमिटेड साधन, लिमिटेड लोग, ये लोग अपना प्रचार प्रसार न कर पाए और हम लोग गिद्ध की तरह टूट पड़े। इनका एक एक हिसाब राज्य की जनता देने के लिए तैयार है।
However, his path to a third consecutive victory isn't unchallenged. Gamaliel Hembram, a local leader and a former para-teacher, is leveraging his grassroots connection to mount a strong challenge. Known for his work in organizing football tournaments and running a school from his home, Hembram embodies the local ethos. Walking barefoot through villages in traditional attire, he asks voters whether they have been benefited from the government schemes. While his 2019 performance on an Ajsu ticket yielded only 2,573 votes, his candidacy this time has BJP's backing, adding new momentum to his campaign.
जो होना चाहिए झारखंड में, हमारी गुंगी बहरी सरकार, भ्रष्टाचार की सरकार ने वो धरातल पर कहीं नहीं किया। संविधान का उन्होंने उल्लंघन किया है। इसीलिए मुझे पूरा भरोसा है हमारी बरहेट विधानसभा की जनता के ऊपर कि इस बार उसको ताज बदल देगा, तख्त बदल देगा, बेईमानों का राज बदल देगा। क्या?
Barhet's electorate, while deeply tied to traditional symbols, is beginning to raise critical questions. In tribal women's gathering, concerns about unfilled promises, voter scarcity and poor education facilities dominate the discourse.
पानी का ही दिक्कत है, बहुत दूर से लाए हैं तो पानी का ही।
आप पढ़ाई करती हैं? नहीं। पढ़ाई की है कभी? स्कूल गई थी?
नहीं, मास्टर ही नहीं तो कहाँ से पढ़ाई?
मास्टर नहीं है यहाँ?
नहीं है सर, नहीं है स्कूल में।
सुनिए, अस्पताल वगैरह, डॉक्टर वगैरह कोई बीमार पड़ता है तो कहाँ जाते हैं सब?
बहुत दूर जाना पड़ता है।
दूर जाना पड़ता है।
दिक्कत है हम लोग को पानी पीने की, पानी की दिक्कत है हम लोग।
पानी का बहुत दिक्कत है। तो हेमंत सोरेन आए थे तो कुछ
विकास किया? कुछ नहीं विकास किया,
कोई विकास नहीं।
कोई विकास नहीं।
Barhet's political narrative is interwoven with its historical and cultural legacy. In the Barhet Assembly constituency, there are a total of 9 candidates in the fray, including Chief Minister Hemant Soren. However, the real contest is a direct face-off between Hemant Soren and Gamaliel Hembram of the BJP. Back in 1990, Hemlal Murmu wrested this seat from Congress candidate Thomas Hansda, and since then, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has maintained an unbroken hold over it. In 2004, when Hemlal Murmu became a member of parliament, the JMM fielded Thomas Soren from this seat. In 2014, JMM secured 46.18% of the votes here compared to BJP's 28.38%. That year, Hemant Soren received 62,515 votes, while BJP's Hemlal Murmu managed 38,428 votes. In 2019, Hemant Soren widened the margin further, winning 73,724 votes compared to BJP's Simon Malto, who garnered 47,985 votes. Hemant has consistently increased his victory margin. BJP has also amplified its rhetoric around Bangladeshi infiltrators, a divisive issue in the region. While Hembram frames it as a fight for the rights of the native minorities, Soren dismisses it as an attempt to polarize voters and distract from real issues like education and healthcare.
आंकड़ा देना, डाटा देना, ऐसे चीजों को खरीदते हैं जिसमें सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द बिगड़े।
बाहर से आते हैं, उनके हकमारी का काम करते हैं। अगर मुस्लिम लोग आते हैं तो यहाँ के मूलवासी मुस्लिमों का हकमारी हो जाता है। तो इसीलिए इस पर गहन अध्ययन करके केंद्र और राज्य सरकार को दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर करके चिन्हित करके उन लोग को बाहर करने की आवश्यकता है।
Barhet voters are caught between the pull of tradition and the push for change. As they weigh their options, this election could reshape the political and cultural landscape of one of Jharkhand's most iconic constituencies. Here in Barhet, where the Chief Minister Hemant Soren is contesting, the stakes are more than political. This land is rooted in the history of the Santhal uprising of 1855, where the sacrifices of Baiji and Singrai Manjhi sparked a widespread revolt against British rule. Today, Barhet's people carry forward that legacy, making this election a connection to their enduring fight for justice and identity. In Barhet, with camera person Rizwan Khan and Manish Kumar, Anurag Dwari for NDTV.